Welcome to Pilot Discount Scheduler, the simplest way to create scheduled discounts and run timed promotions automatically in your store. To get started, open the app page and click Install. Then choose your plan and activate the 7-day free trial. Once installed, you'll land on the main dashboard where everything is ready for you. Let's create your first scheduled discount. Click Create your first scheduled discount. This creates a rule group, which is your schedule for managing discount conditions. Now add your first rule. Enter a name that will be visible to customers. Select the days when the discount should run. You can also enable B2B only discounts if needed. Next, choose the discount type, percentage or fixed amount. Then define eligibility and select which products or collections the discount applies to. Set the start time for your promotion and click Save. Now let's test it. Go to your store, add a product to the cart, and proceed to checkout. The discount is applied automatically based on your schedule. Start automating your promotions today and run smarter campaigns with Pilot Discount Scheduler.